what would be the first steps getting clients that aren't friends and family?
But your friends and family, at some point, you will exhaust this. So we need a marketing strategy for you to start doing so you can get projects beyond just the people you know in the future. There are like 20 bajillion options, and there is no one best option. Truly, it's not that you have to blog or you have to do Instagram or you have to do PR or podcast guesting or whatever. All of those are options, yes, but don't think that you have to do a certain one if you don't want it. Your marketing strategy really ties into who is the person who you want to work with. One of my past students, she was an author and she was in a Facebook group full of other authors. She was like, I want to make websites for authors' books. And there's this Facebook group full of authors. So I guess I'll just go get clients within this Facebook group. It's because she was so specific on who she wanted to serve and knew exactly where to find them. She literally booked herself 6 to 12 months in advance from one Facebook group.
That's why it's important to get that direction of that ideal client, because then it's going to help narrow down your marketing so much more.